Aiden's going to name all the signs at the Nature Preserve Park at Chapel Trail and Pembroke Pines. Let's go.
Daddy, that's a Cooper's hawk.
Is that a Cooper's hawk? Okay. Let's go. What's the next one?
Cottonmouth.
That's a cottonmouth. What is this?
That's a red-shouldered
Red-shouldered hawk. Okay. What is this?
pineapple.
A pond apple. What's this one?
Cocoa plum.
Cocoa plum. What is this?
Snapping turtle.
Snapping turtle. What is this?
Are you gay or snapping turtle?
No, that's an American alligator, but let's go to the next one. Come on. Let's run. Let's go to this one. Come on. Let's run.
That's a yak pine.
A slash pine. Okay.
Palmetto.
A palmetto. Okay.
That's sawgrass.
Wait a minute. Oh, is that a sawgrass? Okay. What is that?
Bald
Bald cypress. What's the next one?
sweet bay.
Sweet bay. What's the next one? So,
Really good.
yeah, he knows them all. Let's go. Come on. What's the next one?
Yellow rump.
A yellow rump warbler. Okay. What's that?
Sawgrass.
Cordgrass. Okay. Run. Let's go to the next one. Come on. Come on. Are you running?
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go. Come on. Where's the next one? Where's the next one? Where's the next one? Okay.
Oh,
That's a live oak? Okay. What's this one?
great one.
A gray squirrel. Okay. Where's the next one? Let's go. Fast. Let's run. Okay. What is this one? Sugarberry. Whoa. What's the next one? You're wearing me out. There's a lot of sugarberries around here. Okay, what is this?
Red maple.
That's a red maple. Okay. What's next? What is this? It's an egret. It's a great egret. What is this? What is this?
Willow.
That's a willow. Oh, wow. What is this?
Beauty.
That's a bluegill. What's over here?
Red bay.
Red bay. And this?
Soft turtle.
That's a soft-shell turtle. What is this? Anhinga. Do you like anhingas?
No.
Let's go. Come on, Aiden. Fast. Next one.
Blue heron.
Is that a great blue heron?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, what's the next one? We have a long way to go. What's that?
Myrtle.
A what? A wax myrtle. Okay. Oh, the next sign's a long way away. We got to run. Aiden, we got to run. Come on. Okay, here's another one. What is that?
Kingfisher.
There's your kingfisher. And what is this one?
Blue-winged teal.
That's a blue-winged teal. What is this?
Snapping turtle.
Snapping turtle. What is this one?
Pickerel.
A pickerel weed. Uh-oh, we got a long way to go, Aiden. We got to run fast.
Over here.
Let's go fast. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's go, big boy. Come on. What is this?
A gray fox.
A gray fox. What is that? What's that?
Wetland.
Wetlands. What's this?
Possum.
Possum. What's this?
Woodstock.
Wood stork. Okay. Come on. There's more. Come on. Come on. Are you tired?
No.
Okay. What's this?
Marsh rabbit.
Marsh rabbit. Wow, what's that?
Red-tailed hawk.
A red-tailed hawk. Good boy. What is that?
Robin.
That's a robin.
Flicker.
That's a flicker.
House sparrow.
House sparrow. All right. Give me 5. Big boy, what is this?
Black crow night heron.
A black crown night heron. Wow. How do you know that? Okay. What's that?
Snowy egret.
A snowy egret. Okay. Aiden, you're fast. You're doing good. Better than Daddy, that's for sure.
That's a yellow throat.
A yellow throat. Okay. Wow, we're almost done here. We're almost finished.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a wood stork. What is this?
Yellow crown night heron.
That's a yellow crown night heron. Come on, I think we only have 3 more. Actually, 2 more. Let's go, big boy. We're almost finished. We're almost finished. Let's go. All right, we're almost done, big boy. What is this?
Sunfish.
What is that, a sunfish?
Yeah.
Okay, what is this?
Yellow baby.
A yellow-bellied slider. All right, Aiden, give me 5. Good job.